Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry there's not too much light, but sorry. This is experiment number 2, how to make slime with body wash again. All you have to do, like, if my video stopped uploading or you guys haven't seen it, you have to get a container. Hold on. You have to get a container, something to mix it with, and body wash. After you're done pouring your body wash in the container, mix it until there's like enough bubbles, and it's an experiment because should reach for water. It's an experiment because you have to. I haven't done this before. So after you're done mixing your body wash, it should turn out bubbly, and then put it in the microwave for 15 minutes, and then when 15 minutes are done, take it out and put it in your freezer for 15 minutes. I set it up a timer. It will ring. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but I don't think so. I'm not sure if it's gonna turn out. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna turn out. I don't think so, cause most of them don't turn out with body wash a lot. Well, they do, but unless you have glue. Sorry, need to drink water. Honestly, it's been like really hot. Yesterday it was like really hot. Like everyone didn't want to come to school. It was like, oh my god, everyone wanted to leave. So my friend said she goes to like Novato or something. I don't know. Kayla, she said in Novato, the school are gonna come out early. So I'm like, that's not fair. So right now I have to wait 15 minutes. So I'm gonna pause this video and wait till 15 minutes are over. Okay, there. I turned on the lights and it's bright now. So 15 minutes aren't over yet. Still waiting. I really don't know what to do while I wait. Honestly, yeah, never mind. My video is gonna come out after I'm done with this one. So yeah. I never showed you guys this. I'm thinking if I should show you. But yeah, hold on. I did that like since my tooth is like this. I figured out I could like take it out, but I showed it to my friends. They're like, maybe we could take it out if we had our teeth like that. But no, they can't take it out since their teeth aren't like really out. Some of them are like, well, I have to get braces. I don't know. I'm really bored right now. I can't do it the other way. Yeah, I guess I'll just wait for 15 minutes. Yeah, maybe I should. Okay, I'll see you when 15 minutes are over. Okay? Bye. Okay, I'm back. That just sounded weird because I'm like, okay, I'm back. 15 minutes are not over. I'm really bored right now, so maybe after this video, I might call my friend Kayla because she says she might be going to the beach. So I'm not sure. Okay, instead of waiting, I am gonna like check how many minutes are left. Hold on, let me check. Okay, 1 minute and 15 seconds. So I just have to wait 1 minute, okay? Hold on. And timer is done. I'm gonna go check on the slime. And if it turns out well, good. It's just an experiment, remember guys? So I have to go check. Okay, I'm back and I have it right here. So I'm just gonna set the camera right there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing. It is like literally frozen right now. This might turn out. I'm just gonna keep on mixing. It didn't turn out like this in the video that I saw. It turned out more like slime. So maybe I just have to keep on mixing more. So I'm gonna keep on mixing more, guys. Okay, so it kind of turned out like slime. Honestly, it's not that sticky. It kind of is, not too much. I tried to touch it. It didn't stick that much to my hands. But I don't know if it's gonna turn out for you guys. It's just an experiment for me. I made one last night because I called my friend Kayla. I'm gonna try to take that one now. My sister said it was frozen, so. So I'm gonna try to take that one out instead and see if it turned out. Okay guys, I checked on it, but I couldn't film. I couldn't put my camera anywhere because my mom was like, excuse me, and everywhere. So I tried to mix it. It was kind of hard, so I'm gonna leave it in there for a few moments. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, that's all I have for you guys right now. So yeah, bye.